So friends, we'll now learn how to count the number of words in a particular sentence. All right. So, hey, how are you? So, as you all can see, there are, let me write it once again. Let me try to write it one again, and we will give few more spaces between R and U. So, A1, it is 17 and length of A2, it is 19. Why? Because of the extra space here. We have two extra spaces here, and hence the length is coming as 19. All right, let's use one function that is called trim and see what changes it is making for A1. As you all can see, it has not made any changes for A1, but let's apply it on A2 and see what is happening here. So, okay. So as you all can see, it has removed the extra spaces which was there in the, and when we'll check the length, it should come as 17 for both of them. So what the trim function has done, it has removed the extra spaces from a particular character. All right. So let's check the length, and it should come as 17. All right. So now let's learn to count the number of words in a particular string. All right. So to do so, what we need to do? First, we need to substitute the spaces with a blank, the spaces with nothing, and calculate the length from that substitution. Let's first substitute it. Let's substitute from B1, old text will be space, and new text will be, there will be no space. Let's substitute and see what is coming up. So as you all can see, all the hey, how are you is coming without any space. So let's calculate the length of this, and then subtract both of them. I will explain you why I'm doing it. So length of T1 minus length of, all right. So the length is coming up as 3. So as the length is coming up as 3, but this is not the actual word because it gives the number of spaces we have. So to find the actual number of words, we need to just add 1 to it, because this is the way to calculate the number of words. So we'll write the exact formula here. What we are going to do, length of the word D1 minus length of the substitute of D1 with old space, comma new space, and plus 1. So it should work now. This is not necessary. So this is what is the function to calculate the number of words in a particular string. All right. So now we'll learn to how to calculate the number of occurrences in a particular, like we have the same characters again and again, like hey, hey, hello, hello, hi, hello. We have something like this. All right. And we need to count the number of occurrences of hello here. So we'll write it here, hello, and let's learn how we can do it. All right, let's first use the substitute function, and we'll substitute the value of A5, but the old text will be the B5 value, and the new text will be, there will be nothing. So let's just press enter, and this is the substituted value. Let's calculate the length of it, length after the substitution. And all right, so this is the length of the string after substitution. All right, let's calculate the length of A5, and it is 26 character. Let's quickly subtract it. So what we'll use, we'll simply write C6 minus C5. All right, let's see the value here. Okay, it is 15. Let's divide it with the length of, let's divide it, C6 divided by the length of divided by length of B5. So it is 5.2. All right. So it seems we did some mistake here. And what is the mistake? We have taken the length of B5 and subtracted with 6.7. We should subtract for C7 and let's see the result 3. So there are 3 hello in the repetitive hello in a particular sentence. How we did it? First we calculated the length of A5. Then we calculated the length of A5 with substituted all hello with the blank. And we have subtracted both of them. And then we have divided with the characters in hello. So the result will be 3. So this is the way how we calculate the number of same word in a particular sentence. I will again repeat the upper function because I felt like it was not much clear. So if we'll consider upper and write A1 here, it will display the entire thing in uppercase. We can do the same thing using, there's one option here. If we'll go here, you will find it. There will be something like A. Okay, just give me a moment. There's an option, there's a shortcut in Excel which does the same thing. Okay, let's open it. It is taking some time. All right, so what we want the change in the pattern. I guess they have removed it from Excel 2016, but if you'll use the older version, you will definitely find it. So let me convert this with trim and trim of A2, and let's do the upper of this, upper of trim of A2, and let's see what is the result. So this is the result. That's first trimmed it and then applied the upper function. So this is all what we have to discuss today. This is a very quick and crispy tutorial about most used functions, text and string functions in Excel. All right.